Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook lock profile option not showing. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. Once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on your name. Then you need to click on three dots. Here you can see that lock profile option is not showing. So you simply need to turn off professional mode. Click on continue. Click on turn off. Click on close. You need to refresh, and here you can see that lock profile option is now showing. But let's suppose you still are unable to see this option, so you simply need to go back, scroll down, click on help and support, click on report a problem, click on report problem, and here you need to report problem to the Facebook team. Click on, so here you need to select the profile. Here you need to report problem to the Facebook team, and they will help to solve your issue in 48 hours. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.